Na naghahatid na, nakagre-ready ng aming pagkain. Yan. Rice is life. Okay. Okay. Ayan yung aming boat. Pipicturein ko yung nagbubuhat. Nagbubuhat ng pagkain, ready for our lunch here in Port Barton. They cook the food in the boat. So we are just enjoying our time here now. Just for, and then we'll go another place. This is the palm trees here. Yeah. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Yan, may mga aso. Ay, yan.
Tayo lang, okay natin, kaya natin yung mga yan. Kilala ko, wala, kilala ko, taga-doon ako, yung trabaho ko.
Catering, catering.
Kailangan pagkakain sila, maraming
Catering, catering. Okay, is that all? Okay, come on, let's eat.